Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to set up your Gizzmo account. Gizzmo is a powerful WordPress plugin with which you can create AI-generated affiliate content to promote Amazon products. First, we need to install and activate the Gizzmo WordPress plugin. So I'm logged into my WordPress website. Make sure you're using Google Chrome as your browser. Click on Plugins in the left side panel, and then click on Add New Plugin. And in this search box, type Gizzmo. And this is the Gizzmo plugin we need to install. Click on Install Now. And then once installed, click on Activate. Let it finish activating. And then click on Refresh Now. Next, we need to set up our Gizzmo profile. So enter your name, email address, and set up a password. And then click Sign Up. Now this may look a bit different for you because the team is making some changes. Next, we need to add the Google Chrome extension, and you can check the link in the description section, but you should also have a link or a button to install it. Click on Add to Chrome, and then click on Add Extension, and you'll see this confirmation in the top right corner. So we have now added the Gizzmo Chrome extension. Next, open a new tab in Chrome. You can use Ctrl-T on your keyboard. And then paste an Amazon product URL in the address bar. And this Amazon URL is of a product that you want to review or create an article about in Gizzmo. You can check the link in the description section to see the URL that I used in this video. Once you paste the URL in the address bar, hit Enter on your keyboard, and you'll be brought to this page to verify that you are not a bot. Enter the text that you see at your end. In this case, I'll enter EMALET all in caps, and then click on Continue Shopping. It'll load the product page, and you'll see this pop up. Enter your Gizzmo account, email address, and password, and then click on Connect. Next, click on this plus button, and it will add the Amazon product to your Gizzmo account in WordPress. Similarly, you can add more Amazon products to your Gizzmo account. Now let's head back to WordPress. And as you can see, here are several Amazon products added. I created several step-by-step Gizzmo tutorials to help you get the most out of your Gizzmo subscription. You can try Gizzmo for free. Check the link in the description section. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.